Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while installing the Valorant. You got an error, unable to install, something went wrong during installation. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, this is my Valorant installer. So you need to right click on it and choose the option Run as Administrator to install the Valorant. Although, if running the installer as an administrator doesn't fix out the issue, then in next step, you need to open up your web browser and you need to take help of a VPN. And for a VPN, I suggest to use Proton VPN as it is totally free to use. Download it, install it, and then connect it. Once this VPN is connected, then you need to open up the Valorant website. Here is the Valorant link. Click on the link and you will find the download link. Click on the option download to download the newest Valorant file right into your system. And once it is downloaded, you need to right click on the downloaded file, go to its properties. Now here you need to click on the details tab and you will find the option of product version. From here, make sure that your product version must be more than or equal to 123.0.2.3988 as it is showing right over here. If your product version is earlier than this, you will not be able to install the Valorant. So make sure your product version must be equal to or greater than the version as it is shown right over here. That's why I ask you to take help of a VPN, because using a VPN, you will be able to download the latest version of the Valorant installer and the issue of Valorant unable to install will be completely fixed. So that's all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.